Hello viewers, how you? Hopefully you're fine. I received this last signal and you can see this signal was really awesome. In the previous signal there was lot of good profit we get, and here this signal is not profitable unfortunately. Okay, but in the previous signal that was really awesome. We are using 1 hour time frame, but you can use 3 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, as well as here you can see go to the strategist tester. In the 3 minute time frame it is showing you accuracy of around 70%. That is really awesome. In the gold, okay, we are using gold. Okay, here you can see this is the result in the 3 minute time frame. Okay, let's see results in the 1 minute time frame as well. Okay, let's see most recent signal in the, let's see the most recent signal. Okay, we will go ahead. Okay, okay, here you can see in the most recent condition you can see we got the sell signal. Okay, but in the time frame, let me show you in the 1 hour time frame. This is very interesting thing, and let me show you why I am going to make this video just now, because we got the signal in the 1 hour time frame, and just go to the 3 minute time frame or 1 minute. Okay, and in the 3 minute time frame here we just get the short signal. Okay, in the 3 minute time frame, go to the 3 minute time frame. Here we go, we just got the sell signal, so that's why we have need to close our signal. When we got the signal buy signal in the 1 hour time frame and the 3 minute time frame, then we need to open buy position and close the trade here, and just wait, because in the 1 hour time frame you can see, let me show you. Let's open one more chart here, and we will open the gold chart. Gold, here you can see, because we do not know, here maybe we will get the short signal, and in the 3 minute time frame we will get the same signal, then of course that will be a very big signal. Okay, here you can see we got the buy signal here, and when we got the buy signal as well in the 1 minute 3 minute time frame, then of course will be a very good one. But in the 3 minute time frame and in the 1 hour time frame, when we got the short signal, like here we got the short signal, and in the 3 minute time frame, okay, here this was the short signal. Okay, and this was the short signal, and this was the short signal. Okay, so all the three signals are really awesome. Okay, but if you want to follow all the signals, that's okay, you can follow all the signals, there is no issue. Okay, in the 3 minute time frame you can see the accuracy, it is showing 70%. Okay, and in the 1 minute time frame 71% accuracy in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we will see the results in the 3 minute. Let's go to the 3 minute time frame. Let's go to the 3 minute time frame, and we will see. Here we can see in the 3 minute time frame, here you can see uh, in the different pair like euro USD. In the euro USD we got the short signal here, and here you can see the accuracy is just 50%. That actually worried about. Okay, because this is a very small accuracy, it's not a very good one, but of course signals are good one. Okay, here you can see lot of good signal, and there are a lot of buy signal or bad signal as well, but the accuracy overall is good one, you can say. It's fine. Okay, because why it's fine, let me show you. Here you can see buy signal is not so much profit, maybe a small loss as well, but the short signal give really awesome. The buy signal give really awesome, and by short signal give really awesome profit. This is really awesome, and this is the most instant short signal, and hopefully it will also give you a very good profit as well. Okay, so this is the overview of my indicator King Cobra. Okay, and it's showing different accuracy in different pairs like 43%. Okay, USD chef 45, just 45, that's not good actually. 55%, that's okay. NZD, AUD. Okay, there is different accuracies in different pairs, and we will see the results in the crypto pairs like BTC. 81% accuracy in the BTC. That's my boy. That's my boy. Okay, 81%. That's actually awesome. Okay, and the 1 minute time frame in the BTC. Hopefully, we will get 55 or 54%. That's fine. Okay, but if you will follow the strategy, like go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and the 1 hour time frame, it is showing 82% accuracy. 82%, that really awesome, man. And in the 3 minute time frame, here you can see in the 1 hour time frame we got short signal. So in the 3 minute time frame, okay, this short signal give you a very good very small profit, not a good one. Okay, but this signal really amazing. This short signal very small profit, but the point is also do not give you a very good loss as well. Okay, and this short was really mind blowing. Here you can see this short signal. When you got the signal, the price was 77,620. Okay, and when you close the trade from 75 to 75, almost $2,000 movement in the 3 minute time frame. That's mind blowing. Okay, nobody and no indicator can give you the such accuracy. Yes, in the some pairs it's not giving you so much accuracy, like in the BNP 83%, LTC is 78%. That's good. Okay, and Solana is my favorite pair. Okay, this is my best crypto pair, and 81%. That's good one. Okay, and here you can see this is the signals. Mind blowing. Okay, you can see it's look awesome and it's work awesome. So hopefully you love this. Any further curiosity and question you can ask me. And if you need this indicator, these indicators are paid, not free of cost. If you need, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. And write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram, because there are some fake Telegram channels. So you need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channels. Okay. For the next video, bye bye. Take care.